10 Rules for Effective Email Correspondence in Export Marketing. Export marketing is based on developing a long-term partnership and trust relationship, and your email communication plays a key role in successfully managing or not managing this relationship development process. Because it gives you an idea of what you write and how you write. Your article represents you. In order to write effective mail in export marketing, I would say 10 rules below. Some of these are based on my personal views and experiences, while others are quite common and generally accepted. Hoping to be useful. 1. We understand the content of our emails by the title in the subject section and open the email and examine it or send it to the trash without opening it. So, use expressive and eloquent expressions that give an idea of the content for the topic. Stay away from spammers or some prejudices. 2. Always send a name to the person concerned and send your message to the person's address. If you don't have a name, first obtain a name and an email address for that name. 3. If you have more than one important topic to discuss, just open a topic in an email. 4. If there are subheadings of a single topic, always list them by listing them in the list and then proceed to the topic with reference to these numbers. 5. Although it does not qualify as a rule, it should be preferred to focus on a subject question rather than simply entering a branched topic in your first introductory article and detailing the communication with the answer. In other words, first attention then negotiates the terms. 6. If the context does not help to understand some of the abbreviations, you should definitely turn on the abbreviation. However, if you are sure that your interlocutor is talking about the same thing, you can be comfortable using the acronym. 7. Keep your message short. Don't make the crowd. You may violate this rule to make your message clearer. If we think that we corresponded with colleagues who speak English as a second language, it is sometimes good to explain the same phrase with different words and perhaps more simply. In the same way, if you have an issue that is not clear to you in an email from the other party, ask yourself if you understand the same with your own words. Ask for confirmation. 8. Your writing shouldn't be like a soulless robot. Do not write like machinery. This is usually caused by copying or retrieving content from other sources or by taking shelter in too many cliches. Always try to be original. Try to make your email letter unique to the person you send. 9. Please leave feedback about your bid at the end of your email. 10. Make a habit of writing draft reading one or more times before sending the mail.